Large-Scale Enterprise Training Simplified Case Study. As part of its enterprise-wide digital transformation, a multinational organization specializing in healthcare, manufacturing, and consumer goods was planning to migrate its operations to a leading platform as a service, PaaS. Within a 6-month schedule, the company needed to carry out a live training program for 1,200 employees throughout North America and Asia. In addition to accommodating a tight schedule and a large number of learners, the training needed to provide certified instructors and vendor-approved content to cover all levels of enterprise, from fundamental skills to advanced specializations. To provide live interactive training in multiple time zones for learners across North America and Asia, ExitCertified used its exclusive individual multimedia video presence (IMVP) platform. The company continues to rely on ExitCertified for training that's equal in quality to its products and services to ensure its personnel receives the professional, up-to-date training needed to achieve digital transformation. To read the full case study, go to www.exitcertified.com/training resources/case studies/large-scale enterprise training simplified.